Good morning and happy Sunday fun day, folks. We are back in Chicago today. And this morning we are going to make a simple breakfast item, waffles. It's pretty simple. I've been craving them. I made a batch the other day. It came out really good. The batter was a little thick for the machine, but I worked through it. So hopefully today's batter will come out a little bit smoother. Because yesterday I had to kind of push the batter into the waffle maker and it was fine. It just took a little bit longer than I wanted to. I was already hangry as it was, but we worked through it. So I have everything laid out today because I'm hungry and I'm ready to eat. And so is Zach. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna use a sifter today because it's Sunday and I want to sift, and that's just what's gonna happen. So let's see what happens. All right, I need to put in a cup of flour, which I only had a half cup measured out for some reason. That's how hungry I was. All right. Okay, so that's 1 cup. And then 2 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So you put all the dry ingredients together and give it a little Sunday sift. All right, that's all done. I'm kind of sad this recipe doesn't call for any Kahlua today. That's going to be a Kahlua-less Sunday. Oh well, we'll get through it. All right, so this is I'm going to use the whisk attachment in the KitchenAid just to give it a nice mix. Because I mean, I could use the wire whisk because I was a little lazy today. Hope you're having a good weekend. Okay, it's just kind of a whisk to combine the items, the dry items, which again was 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Once that's in, I'm going to go ahead and add the milk. It's 1 cup of milk in my gorgeous new beaker. I have a whole set of them. Okay. And I'm going to add 2 eggs. Again, I'm going to give that a good whisk. You can use this regular hand whisk if you don't have a KitchenAid. And I'm going to gently, or not gently, well gently, but slowly add the melted butter. Keep whisking it while I add the butter. Okay, butter is added. Get everything cleaned up. All right. You don't want to over mix it, but I just want to make sure everything is. This is looking a lot better than yesterday's already. Consistency wise. I'm going to make sure I just get the sides down. I think for some things, the wire, like a hand whisk, is better than this whisk. But there's a lot of flour in the bottom of the bowl. There we go. Okay. Okay. It looks good. I have to make brunch at home still because I'm still a little worried to eat out at patios and restaurants. You know, Chicago is kind of open, but I just prefer making things at home, and it's easy. Tastes a lot better, I think, and it's fun. All right. So, you know what? This is gonna be silly, but I'm gonna have to just. I should have just whisked it in the first place. I just want to make sure that's nice and thick. So I guess the moral of this one is just hand whisk it. So now I've just wasted some time. But we get to hang out longer, so that's okay. But now I've got more dishes to clean. Yay! Okay, this looks good. I will attempt to show you. If you can see it, maybe you can see it from there. Okay. But you've all seen batter before. Okay, so now I've preheated the waffle maker for quite a long time because I went to get milk from the refrigerator this morning to make these waffles, and there was no milk in the refrigerator. So I already had this preheating. I had to walk to Walgreens to get milk. It's been fun today. But we have milk, we have waffles, all kinds of good stuff. All right, so this particular waffle iron comes with this little measuring thing on top. So just put it on top, lock it in, and then it comes with this measuring cup to measure the batter in this. So the problem I had the other day was the batter was so thick, like a cake mix. I was pouring it in there and I had to kind of shove it through. It was just, it was something else. Okay, there is supposed to be a line on here. My husband says there's a line on here. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay, good job, husband. I guess I'll just fill it to 170. Oh yeah, this is good. Make sure everybody checks out ChicagoHubby.com, my blog. Make sure you subscribe below and hit that notifications button for the YouTube video. And check out my Instagram, Chicago_Hubby, for all kinds of pictures. All right, so pour this in here. Oh, this is a lot better than yesterday. Okay, so it says about 3 to 4 minutes. If you want it crunchier, a minute or two more, but it's been preheating forever, so I'm gonna do 4 minutes. Okay, and while that does its thing, I'll remind you once again, the recipe was a cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of milk, and 2 eggs. Dry items first, give them a whisk, add the milk, add the eggs, another whisk, and then add the butter slowly, another whisk, using the actual whisk, because we learned we don't use the KitchenAid for waffle mix. All right, guys, I'm gonna let this do its thing. I'll be back in a few minutes. All right, it's been almost 4 minutes, so when the beeper goes off, we're gonna see this for the first time together. I don't know what's gonna happen underneath there. Hopefully good things happen. Also, you are supposed to spray or grease some sort of like with a pastry thing. You know what it is. A little bit of oil on the maker. So 4 seconds. All right, here we go. There we go. All right, let's see what happens. Oh, okay. This is beautiful. Well, okay, having a little bit of a problem. We'll get it. Maybe I didn't put enough grease on the pan. Grab the thing. Okay. Please hold. I didn't really want to use. I don't want to lose this one. But there's plenty of batter. Okay. Ouch. Okay. Well, we did this together. I could have, you know, did some editing and cutting out, but you know what? Let's do the real thing, right? This is how it looks. I think it looks pretty nice. It's a little. I'll show the husband quick. Yeah. All right. Let's give it a little taste since it's broken anyway. Oh. Very, very good. All right. I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to make some more. All right. Well, it's been a fun Sunday. Hopefully my next ones don't turn out that way. Hopefully yours don't turn out that way. Today I'm gonna put some fruit, and I made some chocolate whipped cream yesterday. It was amazing. So I'm gonna put fruit and some whipped cream on mine, probably some butter on the husband's. If you should comment below on what you are gonna put on your waffles this morning. Again, check out ChicagoHubby.com, Instagram at Chicago_Hubby, and make sure you subscribe and hit thumbs up and like and all that kind of stuff. And we'll see you next week.